like your chicken? Oh, we eating chicken. Took a while, huh? Okay, you like it that much? You want more? Here it is. Chicken, 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 chicken. Chicken, 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 chicken. Yum, 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 yum. I see it in there. I see it on there. Chicken. What a big eater, Faye. I'm so impressed. Ooh, let me see that chicken. Yum. Chicken and onions and parsnips. And some turnips. And sweet potato. I love it, Mom. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love me some chicken. You gonna eat the whole bowl, Faye? Chicken, chicken. Hi. It's May 2nd. We didn't like chicken for a while, even though Mama and Tashi liked it. We were eating your chicken because Mom did a good job. But Faye likes it now. You gotta swallow what's in your mouth. You don't need to get mad about it. We just need to swallow what's in our mouth, okay? Yeah, thank you. Got a lot going on in there, girl. Chicken! Chicken, 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 chicken.